System and the delivery platform. After our production processing, here we can see our intelligent three-dimensional warehouse, which can make sure all the shipments can follow the first in first out rule to avoiding inactive stock happened. And the delivery platform there, it can support 20 trucks loading in the meantime. You can see this warehousing is very deep and very high. Okay, now let's go to the outside to check the delivery platform. Let's go to the outside. Our delivery platform, just like I told you, it can support more than 20 trucks loading in the meantime. Now this is the delivery platform. It's very long and deep, and it's automatically, of course. You can see the plate here it's been placed very well in a line. Every plate has a label on it. And we have a traction system that can read and find each plate very soon and very day. Here is an example of an empty truck. It just arrived the platform today, and it will be full in the battery in several hours later. You know, with this platform, we can ship more than 20 containers in one day at least. Normally, here we always ship more than 100,000 pieces of battery every day.